The next aid is a psychological aid. According to www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov, a psychological ergogenic aid might be hypnosis or mental rehearsal. Blood doping or injections are considered powerful psychological ergogenic aids by virtue of their ability to increase red blood cell mass and increase maximum aerobic capacity. An example of this is music, blood doping, and meditation. Analysis of blood doping. What is it? According to www.lifescience.com, blood doping is the injection of oxygenated blood into an athlete before an event in an illegal attempt to enhance athletic performance. Examples of athletes that would use them are endurance runners, endurance cyclists, and swimmers. Is blood doping readily available? No, it is not. You would have to have access to specialized equipment in order to be able to do this. What are the positive effects of blood doping for a heptathlete? One is an increased red blood cell count. This will help them as it means they'll be able to get more oxygen to their working muscles, meaning that there will be more oxygen present and the pyruvic acid won't turn into lactic acid, meaning that the muscles will fatigue less slowly, allowing the athlete to perform well over multiple events in one day. However, the negative effects are that it is illegal to blood dope, and this can lead to potential jail time. It can also lead to the athlete being banned or suspended from future events, as well as having a negative impact on the athlete's reputation, which can affect both their professional and everyday life. The current guidelines say that blood doping is banned from all athletic competitions. The final aid is nutritional aids. Again, according to www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov, nutritional ergogenic aids are aimed primarily at enhancing performance, either by affecting energy metabolism or by an effect on the central nervous system at increasing lean body mass or muscle mass by stimulation of protein synthesis and at reducing body fat content. Some examples of nutritional aids are sports drinks, beetroot juice, and carbohydrate loading. Analysis of carbohydrate loading. What is it? According to www.healthline.com, carbohydrate loading, commonly referred to as carb loading, is a strategy used by endurance athletes such as runners to maximize the storage of glycogen or energy in the muscles and liver. Carbohydrate loading is also used in healthcare to optimize the condition of patients prior to some surgeries. Examples of athletes that would use them. Some examples are endurance runners and endurance cyclists. Is carbo loading readily available? Yes, anyone can fill up on carbs before an event. Both professional and non-professional athletes can do this. What are the positive effects? One positive effect is an increase in glycogen. This is positive as it means that there will be more energy, meaning that the heptathletes are able to perform over multiple events without their muscles fatiguing. Two, also helps to build muscle. This is a positive as it means in events that requires strength and power, the athletes that are carbo loading and have a higher muscle mass will have a bigger advantage. And three, it prevents age-related muscle mass. This could be a positive as it means that an athlete will be able to stay in their prime physical shape for as long as possible, therefore prolonging their career and helping them get better results. However, the negative effects are there is digestive discomfort, which could lead to having a negative effect on the athlete's performance, as having a bad stomach could distract them from performing well. Another negative effect is that their blood sugar changes. This again will have a negative effect on their performance, as it could mean that they are unable to concentrate when performing and can lead them not performing as well. The current guidelines say that carbo loading is allowed in athletic competitions. Thank you for watching my 21.3 Ergogenic Aids PowerPoint.